Saan? Ah, dito. Okay. Magandang hapon. Wow! Ang ganda naman! Ah, vlogger pa, vlogger. Ah, may content pa, vlogger. Hi vlogs! Welcome to my guys!
Joy, eto na. Ang nagsa-celebrate ng kanyang birthday ngayon at walang iba, bigyan natin ng tamang iyawan, our little princess, Olivia Irish. Ay, wow! Let's take a family picture. So hug. Alright, so this time, para mas bless ang birthday party ng ating little princess, I'm requesting everyone to please stand up. Tayo muna ito.
Good morning, everyone. Heavenly Father, as our Olivia Iris celebrates another year of her life, I pray for her growth and well-being. May she always walk in the light of your love, finding strength in her feet and compassion in her heart. Grant her to embark upon and the knowledge that she measures. All of this.
1, 2, 3, go! shake, shake. Clap, clap, clap. Let's all shout a happy birthday, Olivia Irish. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay! So this time, for our next activity, please wait your longest life as long as you can using yourself. And 1. Alright, so this time, make sure taking the ako. Alright, let's take a picture. Dito, ibibigay ko muna ang voice sa team. Happy!
Dito kami!
Let's go! Okay, ready, 10, 9, 8, 9, palabas pa 10, ako dito sa kabila, dito na, 10, 9, 8, 7, next activity is you can jointly arrange yourself. Yun na po yung magiging buzzer nyo. So this time yun na rin po ang magiging buzzer nyo. Hindi mababa, hindi mataas. Mababa, mataas. Mami Joy, hindi mababa, hindi mataas. Mababa, mataas. Kung anong category ang sasabihin ko, yun lang po yung a-arrange ko.
Oh, get!
March! May! big circle. Lahat na guys, make a big circle. Make a big circle. Hawak ng kamay, hawak ng kamay. Soundboard. Group yourself into 3. Okay. 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 So, it's practice pa lang yun. Practice pa lang. Tinignan ko lang kung saan kayo talaga. Shake, shake! Group yourself into 4! Apat kayo. Ilan lang ang mananalo? Ilan ang mananalo? Ilan ang mananalo? Ilan ang mananalo? Lakasan mo pa! Ilan kayo? 4. Ilan kayo?
Galing Astro.
4. Ilan kayo? Ilan kayo? O ilan siya? Ilan siya? Sino panalo? Sabihin mo ng totoo, sino panalo? Siya, kasi 4 kayo. So, palakpakan naman natin. Congratulations. So, good, let's go welcome the other one friendly, our best friend, Jollibee! Hello, Jollibee! 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 Louder! Wow! Jollibee! Wow, kilala ka nila, Jollibee. Kasi may nuggets ka na. Halika na. Padali niyo muna si... So this time, kids, nag-enjoy ba lahat ng kids? Yes! Sure. Ikaw na muna na. Okay, ready? Look at here, kids, look at here. Alright.
Family picture! Hi!
Sabihin ko rin yan.
Ang mga mother, hindi maiwanan ng mga bagets. Mabilisan ang himay. O, kumain ng mabilis, ha?
Kasi na si Kirby. Iniwan mo. Okay na ba ba? Ayun na! Kirby! Wow! Effort! Wow! Asa na ang ating ibang princess? Okay, Bernie, nag-uuritin ko muna.
Dance, dance.
And thank you so much, Shaki, for our next Astro. Let's see. silang dalawa. Ring and smile.
Birthday to you.
Mas masaya.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And of course, Mami Joy, Daddy Roy, dito na muna tayo. Ayan, so this time, Daddy, dito na po tayo dahil this time, nakapag-wish na yung sita natin. Siyempre, ano pong wish nila, Daddy Roy and Mami Joy para kay Iya?
Happy birthday, Iya. Wish ko sa'yo
Happy Feast. And of course, syempre, Iya, anong gusto mong sabihin kula Mami and Daddy dahil dito nila sinelebrate yung birthday mo sa Jollibee?
Hindi, ayaw talaga niya daw eh.
Happy ka ba? Wow, gusto mo yung body. Yay! And of course, picture taking muna tayo. Open. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo. Maraming salamat daw. Bilisan mo na. Daddy Roy, alright. Wow!
Kayo sayo sa harap. Hali kayo sa harap po.